It's a global public good that's neither global nor public. Despite the UN's efforts to brand COVID vaccines as a necessity for the planet, access to the rare products is highlighting inequality.
If developed countries think they will be safe if they vaccinate their own people while neglecting the developing world, they are wrong.
Early on in the pandemic, most wealthy nations invested massively in their own pharmaceutical companies, putting them in prime position to reserve vaccines. For example, leading companies such as Pfizer, Moderna and AstraZeneca have signed deals with the EU, the US and the UK. Other high-income states such as Japan and South Korea have placed orders with these firms, though they have yet to receive their shipments. The country with the most successful vaccination drive so far is Israel. Last year, it struck a deal with Pfizer, early and steady deliveries in exchange for data. 70% of inoculations have so far taken place in rich countries. States with less options are turning towards Russia, China and India, scientific powerhouses that are actively promoting their vaccine and using their know-how as a soft power tool. Russia's Sputnik V has been embraced by Hungary, Argentina, Venezuela, Iran and others. Chinese pharma companies have signed deals with 24 countries, including Turkey, where President Recep Tayyip Erdogan received his dose on television. From Egypt to Indonesia, Beijing's Health Silk Road is plugging the holes left by the West's monopoly of Western vaccines. To counter China's presence in Asia, India has once again come forward as a regional player. The international leader in generic drugs has started to ship free COVID jabs to Bangladesh and Nepal. In a bid to avoid vaccine nationalism, the WHO set up COVAX. Most countries have signed up to the scheme that pledges to fairly distribute COVID drugs, an ambitious project that's weakened by the number of bilateral deals across the globe.